everybody, Lorraine here. Found this cool vase. It's kind of wide, round, and I thought it would look really cool with some beachy colors on it. So I am going to make a cup with, this is an ultramarine blue. This is I believe it's a sky blue. I have a little bit of phthalo blue left, some turquoise, some folk art pearl, and some gold. So I'm going to layer my cup up. I'm going to start out with some of the pearl. Don't know exactly how much I'm going to need in here, but I'm just going to layer it. And we'll see what happens. Go with the lighter blue. I don't have any silicone in these paints. They are mixed Floetrol and water just to get them to a decent consistency. Put a little bit of gold in here. I have a feeling I'm going to want to drizzle some gold around the edge. Back in with some pearl. I put an old canvas under here that I've already painted. It's one that I didn't really care to varnish. It's not very pretty. My color's got a little muddy in it. So I'm just going to use that to catch the paint. And we'll see what happens with that. A bit more phthalo blue. Whew, it's very empty. And a little bit more gold. A little bit of pearl. I'm going to try not to put it on the bottom of the vase. I just want it to go around the edge. So here we go. Going to try and pour it around the outside. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's coming out really cool. I wish I had a little turntable I could turn this on. A little bit more over there. Do it on the back side. Oh, that looks really cool. Got some places that are not getting coverage over here on this side, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Come on, fill in. Oh, it's so pretty. Edge right here that isn't getting coverage. I have to lift. think what I am going to do is, I'm going to get a bigger palette knife, just kind of take some of this off the bottom of the jar and push it over the edge. Oh, that's very cool. Very cool. Get some pretty neat designs on my canvas too. So I did have to put a brace on the canvas so that it would not push down in the center of it. And I just put it on a bottle of paint. So, just gonna let it drip for a minute. See what happens with it. I like all the gold on this side of it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit of it here. Maybe some random drizzles. Very cool. It's very shimmery with that pearl in it. Okay. I already planned a place to set this to dry. I just hope I can move it without too much trouble. I want to spin it so you can see. Let me take my camera here and I'll try and carefully move it around. It's kind of hard to catch the shimmer that's in it. It's very cool. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and move this now. I'm going to stop the camera so we don't have any accidents, and I'll move it and tilt this canvas, see what we can make of that. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this canvas. There's some pretty interesting things going on. Little gold swirlies. I'm going to move what I have underneath it so I don't get them messy. Let's see what this might become. Bring it down to that corner. Get it all covered. We'll take a look at it and see what we need to do. It's very interesting, very monochrome. Not seeing a lot of separation of color here, except for this one gold and pearl spot up here. So what I'm thinking is I might just build a cup. Start out with some pearl, some of my sky blue. See if we can get some phthalo blue to come out of here. Don't have a lot of that left. Oh no, I have to go to the paint store. As you all know, that's pretty dangerous. A little bit of gold. A little bit more pearl. And I think I'm just going to do a straight pour. Turn it to the side so it's coming out this way. Straight pour in the center. Just going to jiggle it back and forth. See if I can get some of these neat little fingers happening. Catch that. Oh, now that's pretty. Look at that. That is cool. Just going to kind of move it around in a circle. Just slowly. I don't want to move it too fast because I don't want them to blend too much. And that is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold. So we'll see what that does. Might give us some pretty cool little pearls. I see them already popping up a little bit. Just moving slowly, letting the paint stretch out. Try and get it back to the center. Look at this. It's so pretty. Stretch those out a little bit. Try and bring it down to that corner. Put my hand there so I can catch some of it. Bring it back. Oh, I love it. Now there was absolutely no purple in there at all, but I see some iridescent purple coming up. There's no red to create it. Whoa. Stretch it down towards this corner. It's going to open up those gold cells on this side. Oh. I love the lines in this. I'm going to try and get it down to this corner. Bring it right down to the gold. Take a look at it. I don't really like this corner over here, so I'm going to see if I can get some of that off and stretch it that way. Just like that. Oh, I wish you could see how pearly this is. It is so pretty. I don't know if you're able to see the way this is shimmering, but it is gorgeous. Really like that right there. Loving the lines in it. Okay. Wipe my hands off a little bit here and I'll pick it up so you can get a close-up of it. Probably ought to give it a torch first, make sure there's no air bubbles in there, because I do see a few. Okay, let me give you a close-up of this. Some really cool lines in there. Really like the way the pearl and the turquoise mixed. Very cool in that corner right there. There you go, guys. I'll try and get a picture of the vase so I can show you that in a day or two when it's dry. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.